Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and thanks for checking in. Today I'll walk you through on how to create a poll on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your device and ensure you are logged in. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Locate and tap on Pages, or you tap on See More and tap on Pages. Then you switch to the page you want to create the poll on. While on the page home section, tap on What's on your mind at the top of the screen beside your profile picture. Scroll down the options that appear like photos or video, check in, tag people and so on. Then you scroll down and locate poll and you tap on it. To create your poll, type your poll questions into the Ask Question option. Then you tap the plus sign to create or to add an option. Add poll option. Tap the Done or Enter button on your keypad to add additional choices. Once you are done, you can tag friends or add location if desired by tapping on the little arrow at the bottom of the screen. This is the arrow here. You tap on it. Now you can tag people. You can also add location by clicking the check-in to add location. Once you are satisfied with your poll questions, tap on the next button at the top right of the screen. Now you can choose to publish or post the poll now or choose to schedule for later. Tap on Publish Now if you want to publish it now. Then you tap on Post at the top right corner of the screen to publish your poll to your Facebook timeline. And you can now view the results as they come in by checking your notifications. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye.